Hello guys! In this video we are going to show you where you can get the best view of the 101 Tower in Taipei. By MRT you need to get to the Shangshan station. From here it's just a few minutes walk up the hill. Then you're going to reach the Elephant Trail. After a few minutes walk you're going to arrive at the first deck. This one is called Photographer's Deck. The look from this deck is very amazing. If you climb up the stairs for a few minutes longer, then you will get a much better view.